Right, for this task we're going to open up a new Python file. So I open up my GUI first of all, and then I do File, New Window, and I'm always getting the habit of saving straight away. So File, Save As, and I'm putting this in Python, my tutorial. And I would save it here, but I've done mine. So actually what I'm going to do, whilst you're saving yours, cancel out of that, and I'm going to open the one I've already done. Save me doing it again. So desktop, Python, tutorial, article. Right, there he is. Right, first thing I've done at the top is just put in a quick comment with the star, the gate sign, using numbers and mathematical operators. So you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little couplets. First of all, asking for an input. So let's run that module, and you'll see it will hang there on after that first line. Press a key to find out the answer to something. So I've output that string using the input function, and it waits for the user to press a key. Once you do, it wasn't any key, it was actually the enter key. It calculates the answer on the next line, and then outputs the statement on the following line. So we've got the answer of 10. 7 plus 3, it's a normal plus operator. 7 minus 3, 4 is a normal minus operator. 7 times 3, 21 is the asterisk. And then now it gets a little bit more complicated. That we go press a key to find out that's 7 divided by 3 true. Now up to this point, all the answers have been integers, in so much as they're whole numbers. There's no decimal point. Now a true number, also known as a floating point number, or a float in fact, can have a decimal point and then any number of digits after the decimal point. So 7 divided by 3, which is just the forward slash, gives you 2.3 recurring. Next one is quite interesting. It's 7 divided by 3 using a double slash, which gives you an integer result. In other words, the nearest whole number. So in this case, 7 divided by 3 as an integer gives the answer of 2. And then finally, an interesting little operator called modulus. So if you do 7 modulus 3, what you get is 1. Basically what that means is it's the remainder from the integer calculation. In other words, 7 divided by 3 is 2 with 1 over. So it's the bit left over that it actually outputs as the answer, which surprisingly can be very useful when you're programming to be able to work with just that remainder. Okay, that's the end of mathematical operators.